Today, we're diving into the LCDOLED Replacement 17.3-inch Full HD IPS LCD display for the Asus TUF Gaming FX705 series. Now, before you hit that buy button, let's go through some crucial details. First up, this display boasts a 60Hz refresh rate, making it suitable for everyday use and gaming at a standard level. Remember, it's not designed for the 144Hz enthusiasts out there. When checking your PC's refresh rate, right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, click Advanced Display Settings, and find the refresh rate, Hertz. Moving on to compatibility, it fits a range of Asus TUF Gaming FX705 models, but be cautious about the 30-pin EDP connector, it won't work with 40-pin configurations. Also, this panel delivers a 72% NTSC color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate colors, thanks to its IPS technology. The package includes the LCD screen only, so be sure to keep your original parts handy during installation. LCDOLED emphasizes a 3-month warranty, and they've tested the item before shipping, providing some assurance on its quality. Now, here's a heads up. Due to production variations, the model may change, but fear not, LCDOLED will send you a compatible model randomly. If you're particular about the model, it's wise to confirm with them before placing your order. In summary, this replacement display could breathe new life into your Asus TUF Gaming FX705 laptop, offering a Full HD IPS panel with a 60Hz refresh rate. Ensure it suits your needs before purchasing, and if you're uncertain, LCDOLED encourages reaching out with your laptop's specific model and pictures of your original screen. That's it for today's review. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tech insights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.